Hi everyone, it's Jenny from the Edison Public Library, and today we are going to be making DIY stress balls for kids. And did you know that April is National Stress Awareness Month? So let's make this fun craft so we can squeeze our stress away. For this craft, you are going to need a balloon. I picked two different colors. You can pick whatever you want. A marker and a pen, a pair of scissors, a piece of paper or a funnel, some yarn if you want to decorate your stress ball, and some flour to fill it. I also have here a water bottle top that I cut off to use to get my flour into my balloons. So to get started, what I'm going to do is first put my balloon on the cap of the water bottle so it looks like this. Next thing I'm going to do is make a funnel out of my paper, and this is going to go in to my water bottle. And then from there, so I have my funnel, my water bottle cap, and my balloon. From there, I'm going to pour in the flour. So now that my stress ball has been filled with flour, I'm going to remove it from my cap. Just be careful with this. And I'm going to tie a knot so none of the flour comes out. So now you have your ball, and I'm going to fill my yellow one as well. Okay, so now my two stress balls are complete, so you can squeeze them however you want. And what I'm going to do is put hair on them now, because I want to make funky stress balls. So I'm going to cut some yarn and make it so each of them has really cute little hair. Now that my little stress balls have cute little hair, I'm going to draw faces on them with my marker. Now that my faces have been completed, I have my DIY stress balls, and I can squeeze them as much as I want to relieve any of the stress I have. I hope you guys enjoyed this craft, and if you make one, drop a picture below in the comments to show me how your DIY stress balls came out. Bye everyone.